got Terry Mulligan just came from TikTok. Look out, Terry. Terry Mulligan. I said Terry. Lobo just came from TikTok. Uh-oh. Where y'all going? I see a couple drips on the track. Look. You see it? Left lane for the win. Let me see something. Couple drops right here. Hey! Look out, look out. We got my boy, he's still over here in the building. He all the way out here live. What's up with it? Hey! Got a new small block. No, sir, I don't. Hey, but look. Nah, I don't know what I'm running. Here, this is my sticker, man. I know you need one. Yeah. Oh, what's up? You need a sticker too? This is my new stickers, man. We got my boy Art Luna in the building, y'all. Have a drop one time for the one time. This will be printing my shirts.
Man, what I gotta do to get over there, man? I feel like I'm in jail here.
You gotta go all the way around, let the security harass you about the armband.
I got the wrong one.
Yeah, then they gonna make you walk back over there to the front, buy the right one, and then you come over here.
I'm broke, man. I ain't got no money.
Or you could try to sneak in a car and ride with somebody all the way over here. Then you be good.
I'm gonna stay over here though.
Yeah. Feel like you in jail then.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, we waiting on him to go get the hats, y'all.
I'm gonna represent you in jail, man.
Bet. Look, he representing the jail, y'all. This who be making my my hats. So when he be taking all day, y'all just call him. Call him.
Get your boy to send the right artwork, man.
Yeah, he gon' but he do good. But everybody else be going to him too. I probably don't even need to tell y'all. That way, I tell y'all give him more business. My shit go even slow. Oh, this is my boy. Oh shit, here go my boy, y'all. That boy truck, my man. Oh shit, boy, he be working that wheel. Oh. Okay. Oh shit! Boy, this is a bad motherfucker right here. I don't know where to go. Everybody better get y'all ass out the way right now. He gonna make it. He just pulled the gun out. Y'all didn't see him when he backed up? That was a gun. Dangerous. Oh shit, don't let him. Oh, don't. Hey! Shit! Hey, yeah. Oh shit. I'm finna move. I ain't riding with him this time.
Get somebody your keys and move your car.
Hey, I thought, hey! Damn, man. He got the keys in it? Okay, we just want to get this pass. Oh, he want to go moving now. He moving it now. Okay, he ready now, y'all. Y'all want me to get in? Hell no, I ain't getting in today. Okay, he ready, y'all. He ready. Ooh. Oh, and he won, y'all. Can't tell him nothing. I don't know where he. Oh yeah, he from Mississippi or something, Memphis. Hey, look out, look out. He just wanted to ride a bike at the track. Baby, record me while I ride, baby. Boy, I need to get some. Hey, I need to get my cars. Boy, it's some new ones. Where my cars at? Do I got any more? I'm gonna have to go look. I'm gonna have to go look, man. I guess let me hit them other apps, turn all these other apps off. That might help. Oh, he almost, boy, say. Let me see some. Let me see some. Hold on. We got this bike. Oh, they ain't. Oh, they got about. Okay, 3 more sets of bikes. 3 more sets of bikes. Uh-oh. He ready, y'all. We got 2 of them ready. I thought left line was finna win. Golly. Little stroker motor, little stroker. Hold on, y'all. I'm finna turn these other apps off.
Thank you. Get somebody to race Ash and Larry tonight.
Who Ash and Larry?
Yeah. I'm Monte Carlo.
Boy, I got too many apps open. I hope it's...
I'm trying to get a race.
Okay, y'all. Okay. I turned off all the apps. Don't look like it made a difference though. Oh no, it might. Oh. Okay, full pass. Look out.
What happened to him when he was driving your car?
He couldn't do it. He couldn't hold it. He couldn't hold it.